Welcome back everyone to the Collector Channel. Today I'll be opening up this USA Baseball box of cards here. This has 35 cards in it. It's from 2019. So there's 7 packs, 5 cards per pack. And it says find 2 autographs or memorabilia cards per box on average. So I wonder if those will be in the packs or just in the box here. Sometimes they just put them in the box and then the packs usually don't have anything then. Okay, so it's empty inside there, don't see any in there, so our autograph or memorabilia card should be in the pack here. So these will be interesting to open. I have not opened these before. This is my first time opening these. Alright, so that's our first pack. So yeah, so far these are interesting. Got Zach Thompson on top on that one. Bobby Witt Jr. These are pretty cool. The design of the cards, I like the USA Baseball uniforms they're wearing. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Carter Young. It looks like Carter Young is out of 219 on that card, so 164 out of 219. By the way, this one's out of 40 out of 249 on that one. So do you collect, for everyone watching this video, do you collect autograph cards, memorabilia? Do you look for in packs, or just the cards that are just kind of the regular cards? Is there something you prefer to collect? Let me know in the comment section below. Zach Watson. A little bit better focus down there. I'll try to keep the cards a little lower for everyone to see. So I wonder if we'll actually get the 2 autograph cards. This pack feels a little bit thicker. I could be wrong though. There we go. That's a lot clearer down like that. That's a cool checklist there. Yeah, these are very interesting cards. Alright, so this is the last pack. Yeah, it did feel a bit thicker, and looks like we got, oh nice, cool, out of 199. Says autograph and the jersey right there. That's really cool. I didn't expect to get that. I'll set that aside. And our last two cards. We'll take a look at these two again. So those are really cool. Alright, well thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time.